Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm on Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas. This is a balcony room. See a couch upon entering, some wall art, one here with an elephant and another with a woman on top of rocks holding an umbrella. We have a dresser area in the front with a kettle, a complimentary water bottle, and a desk area for laptop. Show schedule, welcome aboard, immigration information, and various invitations for dining, casino, and a greeting from the captain of the ship. Plugs on this side. On the desk, I have my room key card in the back, and the king bed. I was laying down for a bit as it took some time for the luggage to arrive, but a spacious bed. Plug only on one side, and I've plugged my own converter into this to use a USB. There wasn't a USB port, at least not that I saw. Have a closet next to the bed with a room safe, some area to hang clothes, and more storage space on this side. More hangers on the bottom and on the top. Perhaps more space for two people if they were to be in the room, but it's just me solo, so even more. And we have the balcony area. 2 chairs on the outside, a table, and of course, the sea. Various ships in the back. The boat is currently moving. We have a locking mechanism, a child lock at the top, and once you open the door, the air conditioning, I believe, goes off or pauses. We've opened the door and we can take a step outside. It is a little bit of a step, and as you can see, the ship is moving. See various ships outside and very bright sunlight on the other side. We're on our way to South Korea. The first day will be at sea. The second day will be at sea. Then we have a long day in South Korea, and then the ship makes its way back. This is a 4-night balcony cruise, compliments of MGM Rewards Platinum status, mainly earned from credit card spending and blackjack play on BetMGM. Making our way to the bathroom, a large shower area next to the toilet. Have one sink, a large mirror, and various shelves for storage. Extra space on the bottom as well. Extra towels. Take another look of the room. I'm on the 10th floor. This is 10th floor, room 668. See a magnet indicating do not disturb. And it's saying, please close the balcony door before opening the stateroom door. Air pressure may cause the main door to close forcefully. Hotel key card in this area. Temperature setting on the wall. Head once more to the balcony area and also see a room TV. There is a remote on the nightstand for operation, for TV on demand, live TV, and other options. Once again, out to the balcony, you can see North Sea shipping in the back. We're definitely moving here, starting to pick up speed. Took a bit for the luggage to come, but it's finally here, so we can start unpacking shortly. Have dinner. I scheduled the My Way dining, so I don't have to be at a particular time. A little bit of flexibility. There's also the buffet that's open, and some complimentary cafes. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Spectrum of the Seas, departing Shanghai on the way to South Korea.